Setting up client reporting features on Top Echelon can seem like a challenge at first, but once you understand the core steps, it becomes a smooth and easy process that saves you time and gives your clients exactly what they need. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up your client reporting features on Top Echelon. Before we dive into the setup process, let me quickly mention that you can try Top Echelon completely free using the exclusive link in the description below. You'll also receive some great bonuses to maximize your experience. This is an offer you don't want to miss, especially if you're looking to optimize your recruiting and client management efforts. Now let's get into how to set up those client reporting features. First, you'll need to log into your Top Echelon account. Once you're in, head to the Reports tab. This is where you can access the full suite of reporting tools that Top Echelon offers. From this tab, you'll be able to customize and generate reports specific to your client's needs. Click on the Client Reports option. This will open up the section where you can set up the specific types of reports you want to generate. From here, you'll see a variety of templates. These are pre-designed reports that cater to common client needs. If you're new to the software, I recommend starting with one of these templates. They're a great way to get familiar with the system. To personalize your reports, click on the Customize button. This allows you to adjust what data appears in the report, as well as how it's presented. You can select fields such as candidate status, job placements, candidate activity, and more. This customization ensures that you can provide your clients with exactly the information they need without the extra clutter. Once you've set the parameters for your report, you can save it as a custom template for future use. This is key for efficiency, as you won't have to reconfigure your settings every time you want to generate a similar report. You can also assign different templates to specific clients, so that their reports are tailored to their specific requirements. One useful feature to keep in mind is the scheduling option. If you'd like to automate the process, you can schedule reports to be sent out at regular intervals, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. This is especially helpful for keeping your clients in the loop without having to manually send them updates. Now, let's talk about exporting and sharing these reports. Once your report is ready, you can export it to formats like PDF or Excel. This gives you flexibility in how you share the data with your clients. Whether you want to send the report via email, upload it to a shared drive, or provide a hard copy, you have options. Top Echelon also allows you to track which reports have been sent to your clients and when, making it easier to stay organized. This tracking feature ensures that you're always on top of your reporting game. Before wrapping up, I want to highlight something crucial. You can easily manage multiple clients on the platform, each with their own specific reporting needs. By utilizing the customization features and the scheduling tool, you can streamline your workflow and focus more on the business side of things, rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. So, to recap, start by accessing the Reports tab and choose Client Reports. Customize the report according to your client's needs, save your settings for future use, and take advantage of the scheduling tool. Export and share the report in whatever format works best for you, and stay organized with the built-in tracking. Remember, you can access Top Echelon completely free with the link below and enjoy the exclusive bonuses. Setting up client reporting features on Top Echelon is that easy. And once you're up and running, you'll see how much more efficient your client management can be. If you found this helpful, make sure to take advantage of the extended free trial offer and get